Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your time zone in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our DMs and our teammates. From here in the top right corner we find the person icon that we have to tap. Then at the bottom we find preferences, and then at the top again, in the time and place section, we find set time zone automatically. If you tap on this, then we can toggle whether we want to have our time zone set automatically or not. It requires permission from our phone, so that the Slack app can access our location. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.